Shivangi, welcome to my channel. So finally I am back with one of the most requested videos, which was regarding an abstract painting of god and goddesses. So today I will be painting Bhagwan Ram and Sita Mata. I'm super excited because I've already designed, I just have to paint it with you all. So yeah, if you are planning to recreate this painting, don't forget to tag me or share it with me on my Instagram handle, which is shivangi.sa. I would love to see your creation. Also guys, thank you so much for the love and support you guys have showed me on my previous video, which was related to customizing some random things. And मैं definitely उसकी series बनाने वाली हूँ आने वाले time पे. So stay tuned and yeah, let's start. So guys, today I am using this canvas pad which I bought from Amazon, and yes, I will be painting on this. So first I'll start with a basic sketch, and basic sketch के लिए आप कोई भी pencil use कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे मैं clutch pencil use कर रही हूँ because it's easy to handle. Here I'm making Sita Ma, Ram Ji and एक छोटा सा deer. So after completing the sketch, now I'll proceed with the painting. First I'll start with the skin color. And skin color के लिए I'm using white, yellow, red and black acrylic paint. I'll mix them properly, and yes, you can see how beautiful the color looks like, and I'll start applying it. The process is very simple. This is the first step. यहाँ पे कोई shading नहीं होने वाली है. सबसे पहले मैं सीता माँ को cover करूँगी अपने skin color के साथ, and then मैं राम जी के लिए थोड़ा darker shade use करूँगी. So yes, once that is done, now I am proceeding with the clothes, and clothes के लिए I have decided to use yellow acrylic color, and I'm mixing white acrylic paint with it. Also guys, if you have noticed, basically I've decided to only use primary colors in this painting, which means मैं primary colors के साथ black and white भी use करूँगी, and that is how I'll complete the whole look. So सीता माँ के कपड़ों के लिए I am mixing red and yellow acrylic paint, and look at this how beautiful it looks like. For brown color I am mixing red, yellow and black acrylic paint. अभी तक तो I am quite satisfied, and I feel it is very easy to recreate as well because colors भी हमें ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए extraordinary. Plus the technique which I am using here is very simple. So if you are beginners, you should definitely go for this. So for background, first I'm applying white acrylic paint, and then I'll be applying yellow acrylic paint so that it does not look that bright. And yes, mostly I'm focusing on warm colors in this painting. If you guys have issues while mixing them, there is this technique जहाँ पे मैं randomly पहले colors को place करती हूँ, and then I use a flat brush to mix them. The technique is very simple, and it is especially for beginners. It has worked really well for me. So yeah, I can assure you that it will definitely work for you guys as well. This is how I am completing the background using different shades of colors. Also guys, if you are still there watching this video, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So guys, the first step of this painting is to complete the first base. हर जगह मैं flat color को apply कर दूंगी, and once that is done, मैं इसे dry होने के लिए छोड़ दूंगी, and then I'll proceed with the second step. In second step, I will be majorly focusing on light and shadows. So shadows के लिए जो भी मैंने colors first base पे apply करे थे, उनका darker shade मैं use करूँगी. So yes, look at this. Here I'm using a darker tone of skin color. उसकी help से मैं इसे depth show कर रही हूँ. With the help of water, I will be mixing it, merging it, and yes, look at this. एक अलग ही look आ जाता है depth show करने से किसी भी painting का. So whenever you create something, don't forget to focus on light and shadow. And I agree, light and shadow को show करना is not an easy task. You need a lot of practice and a different set of skills, but here the technique which I am using is very simple. Anyone can do it. Look at this. पहले मैं normal brush से कोई भी color को apply करती हूँ, and with the help of water I just merge it out. So yeah, do try it out and let me know how do you find the technique. And then I actually thought कि बहुत ज़्यादा yellow and orange reddish colors हो रहे हैं. So here I've used blue and white color to get this color, and I feel it is looking beautiful. एक अलग सा I would say pop-up आ चुका है colors का. And then I thought of adding pink as well. I wanted to depict ornaments of flowers, so that is why the color is pinkish. Then I'll complete it with the help of black acrylic paint. मैं उसको एक proper outline दे दूंगी. Here I'm using a small tip round brush to create the outline. Look at this, how beautiful it looks. Now I have decided decided to add few more details over here, and for detailing I'm using white and थोड़ा brighter shades के highlight tones. Even जो deer मैंने बनाया है छोटा सा वो भी बहुत cute लग रहा है. So guys, by now we have almost completed the painting, but there are few details which are left and I'll quickly complete them. मैं हमेशा try करती हूँ अपनी videos में बहुत easy techniques के साथ paintings create करूँ, so that it's easier for you guys to learn and start this beautiful journey. Do let me know in the comment section below what else do you want to see. I would definitely create something more for you guys. So now I thought of adding रुद्राक्ष की माला. Secret is that इन छोटे छोटे elements से बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ जाता है. So never miss these beautiful and tiny elements. Do let me know in the comment section below अभी तक आपको मेरी जितने भी videos थी उनमें से सबसे अच्छी abstract painting कौन सी लगी है. I would love to know. Finally, we are done with our, I think it's our 5th abstract painting. Okay guys, so finally we have created our abstract painting of Ramji and Sita Mata. I hope you all liked it and do let me know what else do you want to see. So yeah, thank you.